Hello and welcome to yet another video. I am Jimmy and this is Jimboyrulez. Today we're going to talk about the creeper stool which one of you guys suggested and I got it. So we're going to assemble that one and we're going to talk about some other bits and bobs like my wiring, how I hid my wiring or how I managed my wiring, and we're also going to look at a couple of other small things. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So first we're going to talk about my creeper stool, then we're going to look at my solution for storing my drills and impact drivers. Also, we're going to see a solution for how I manage my wires because I had to drill a couple of holes in the cabinets as the socket was behind the back wall of the cabinet. So I have a socket inside the cabinet and I have to get the wires out of the cabinet. So we're going to look at all of those things. If you find value in this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Let's go straight into it and check everything out. So now we're going to unbox the Torin Big Red Pneumatic Creeper Seat. This has 360-degree rotating swivel casters and it's got a big tool tray underneath it, so while you're working on something you could put the tools there. It's height adjustable up to 115 millimeters. So let's check this one out.
So let's see what's in the box. Well, it was heavy, so it looks pretty good. Like it looks like it's sturdy material. It's nicely packed. I don't want to like tear it while pulling it out. Put it on its side so it's a little easier. Okay, that's everything from the box. Let's see, that's what. I take it that that's the pneumatic height adjuster. This would probably be used to access the pneumatic adjuster so it goes up and down. Okay, so this is the tray where you could put the tools, and it comes pre-fitted with casters. And then this obviously is the cushion that you sit on. Seems soft. A couple of people, in my first garage video I asked what creeper should I get, and a couple of people commented and they said that I should go for this one, and my ass would thank me for buying this particular creeper. Should have had my knife handy. That looks good. And then we have the manual. So this says I gotta assemble that to the tray with the casters, but that came pre-assembled. I also wonder how does that attach, because it doesn't seem to be screwing on or anything. So I don't know, just place it in and let's see, let's find out. Okay, so first thing they're asking us to do, or actually the third thing they're asking us to do, because the first, second, and the third step are already done as I showed you. First thing that we gotta do and the third thing they're asking us to do is put the plate. And that lines up. I guess we gotta take these screws out and then mount it. It's the Phillips screw. Let's remove these. We'll attach them after positioning it correctly. Okay, so the next step is same. I just put pneumatic jack in. So that goes here. That's kind of scary. The scary part is it doesn't like screw in or anything. You just gotta place it. Well, let's see. So we're gonna place it in here first, and then place this on top. Okay, I'm a bit scared sitting on it. So let's see how well it is. Well, it's nice. Cushion's good. It feels good. Let's see how well it rolls. Not bad. Not bad at all. The casters seem good quality. It's very sturdy. It's not like it's got bad balance, it's got good balance. I think I would enjoy this. Where did the lever go? Let's see. Ooh, nice. I like it. So we actually have to place the pneumatic lift rod suspension thingy, and then we had to just place it into the bottom, which was the tray with the casters, and then we just have to place the top cushion onto it, which made me think that if I actually fell over or this tipped over, everything would come off and it would not fit properly. But what I realized was, once I sat on it a couple of times, everything locked into place. Now, how that happened, it was a miracle. So, it won't come off now. Even if I tried, it wouldn't come off. So, it got some kind of a locking mechanism in it, and I could swear it's magic, but it works really nice. So I sit on it, and I could like roam around with it. It's very sturdy, and I'm very happy with this product as well. So thank you for suggesting this particular creeper stool. Let's look at the grill holder thingy-majiggy first. That is not called grill holder thingy-majiggy, that's the name I've given to it. But it's called grill charging station with grill storage. I bought it on Amazon. It was worth every single penny. I will put the link in the description below. It was really easy to install. The wood's really good quality. It came pre-drilled with holes, so all I had to do was line up all the wooden pieces and then just screw them in, and then came with all the hardware. It gave me screws for the wall as well, and then I screwed it into the wall. So all my grills could hang like as if it was a holster. So my impact grill, my grill driver, everything is just there. And then I could put my chargers on top. So the charging station would be on the top. There would be a wire eventually when I have this going. There would be a wire going from over here into the cabinet. I highly recommend this product. I am very happy with it. It looks really good. It helps me organize everything really well. Moving on to the solution for my wire. What I did was, I decided to make a couple of holes, one on this side so the cable could pop out and power my big outlet extension thingy, which is actually called the KMC 12 outlet heavy duty workshop metal power strip with 3-foot long extension cord with circuit breakers for workshop and industrial use. I ordered that off Amazon as well. Nowadays you get everything on Amazon. I don't go anywhere else apart from Amazon to buy anything. The link in the description below. The good part about this extension is that the plugs are wide apart. So, you know, you get a small extension and the plugs are right next to each other. When you plug something into one outlet, you cannot use the next one if the adapter is bigger. When they're spread out, yeah, it takes up a little bit of real estate, but then again, every outlet is usable. So I'm very happy with that. I wish they made it with red plug outlets rather than yellow, so it would match everything red over here. We ordered the general purpose Milwaukee hole saws, and it took a very long time to come. So I just went and bought one hole saw that was 1.5 inch big. And long story short, it successfully did make holes on either side. So then I got a 1.5 inch desk cable organizer thingy, and I put one over here on this side, and then another one over here on this side. So the cables go through this and I don't cut myself on the hole. I did file it, but then this looks way nicer, so I did it that way.
Well, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or complaints, if any of the information I gave in the video was wrong, I do apologize. Please do comment below and we shall have a discussion about it as well. And let me know what else you'd like to see. I know this channel is a car channel and we will get back to cars in some time after the garage is ready. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell My next video is going to be a review on my garage cabinets and all the things that you saw today. Make sure you subscribe. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.